do it. They don't tell you. They don't tell you. You don't. You don't.
The fee.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're really proud of you.
Thank you.
You have done so much work for us.
Thank you.
Chief Emeka Okafor,
Yes.
your name is so renowned in the country. Most business owners and quite few entrepreneurs are looking up to you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, you may sit.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mato.
Sir, how was growing up like?
Thank you very much for that question. Growing up was not that easy because I wasn't from a very rich home, but we didn't lack. My parents were not poor as in looking for food to eat. At least they could feed themselves, but they didn't have the golden spoon like they would say. But while in primary school or is it secondary school, they teach you the three basic things you need in life: food, shelter, and clothing. So I discovered early in life that if you found an opportunity in these areas and discovered a problem in these sectors, you will make a lot of money when you grow up. My father did his best into farming. My mother was a typical housewife, but later on, she opened a restaurant. So I used to follow her there. My mother taught me a lot. I was the kind of man who went to the kitchen to see my mother cook.
Wow.
And she had a little restaurant after many years of being a housewife. So I used to follow her to the shop. So I learned the ethics and the business sense in operating a local food canteen. People would come from the construction site to buy my mother's food. So she sold out before 12 noon. If you don't eat her rice, beans, and plantain, you can't have food for the day. So I learned that when people are hungry, they're willing to pay. So first thing I did when I went to the city was to establish an eating place. And I made some good fortune out of it. And again, later in life, I now went on to the second part of it, which was to provide shelter for a lot of people. So in that area, I worked with governments. I build, operate, and sell. And we're doing some investments here and there. And that's what it is today. So I thank God that we're able to discover these strengths in ourselves. And again, I also latched onto a very good platform by understanding the need for entrepreneurship. You know, building business from the scratch, learning to fail, learning to move forward. When you fail, you have succeeded. If you don't fail, you cannot succeed. So there's a lot of lessons to learn from failure. Failure teaches you patience, commitment, what you did right, what you need to do right, whatever it is. So I was able to conquer this. So that's why whenever I meet with younger people, I tell them to be patient. Surulere is patient. Whatever you do and don't succeed in it, do it again and again and again. I don't know whether you heard the story about the man who discovered the electric bulb. He failed many times.
Yes.
So failure taught him a lesson. So you must understand the lessons from failure. I know. So I have understood the lessons, and I make everybody around me to understand that sometimes people see the glory, they don't know the story.
Sure.
This man sitting here, I have seen 99, 100 is nothing.
Wow.
So you need to understand that building a business from bottom to the top is not an easy cup of tea. You can't drink it like that. That's why wealth selects. You don't enter into wealth like that except you have leftover wealth from a family.
That is.
So if you have to build it, you got to be patient. You got to be committed. You got to be resolute. You got to be firm. You got to be everything that you need to succeed. And when you succeed, people won't know what you went through to succeed. So that's the story of Chief Onyinye Okafor and his empire.
We are so proud of you, sir.
Thank you.
Look at how Onyinye Okafor empire is now. Many youths are looking up to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mom, good morning.
Agonwa, my handsome son. Omekanaya. Oyerinneya.
Thank you, Mom.
That's my son. You look so handsome.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You know, son,
What?
I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
And you know what, son?
What?
I cannot wait for you to be as great as your father. Even greater.
Oh, I believe I can.
And I trust you can. And you will.
Oh, Mom, thank you so much for the praises. I will make you proud.
Thank you. That's so smooth. All right, boy. Be fast and come downstairs for breakfast.
Oh,
I don't want to get in cold.
sure. I will join in a minute.
And you smell so nice.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. I'll come join you.
Right.
Good to go. What else?
My darling husband. How did your meeting go?
Yeah, didn't go as expected, but I had to move it to another time.
Okay. It's all right. Everything will be okay. All right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is Tobias not back yet?
No. He said he was going for Maxwell's dinner party. That's, just a brazen umbrella kind of thing.
Oh my God, I forgot. We discussed it. I'm indeed getting old.
Excuse me? My husband getting old? Sweetheart, you are strong as always.
Right?
Yes. My love, I think you should allow Tobias handle some of these things.
Exactly. Let me see him immediately he gets back. And then many things to discuss with him.
No, sir. My love, you go upstairs, take your bath, eat, sleep, and then whatever you have to discuss with Tobias can happen tomorrow. Baby, I know that business is important, but I don't want to lose my husband.
I'm not going anywhere.
Of course, you can't go anywhere. Okay, up we go. Up we go, my dog.
You're pushing me like a trailer.
You are my trailer, baby.
Hey.
I made something sumptuous for you to eat. You'll love it.
Dad. Guess what?
Tobias, we're at the table. Not now. Okay?
My love, a little gist while eating wouldn't spoil anything.
Sweetheart.
Talk to me, boy.
It's actually good news.
Better then.
I sealed the deal with Hawks Refinery. Yes.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How come I never got it on my email?
I wanted to give you the good news myself. To you.
Wow.
Proud of you, boy.
So proud of you, Tobias.
That's good.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
My boy's working.
Of course. Like father, like son, I guess.
The powerful empire is going to the...
Definitely. Of course.
Kudos. good.
Oh.
Malafa, now what in the song?
I thought they call you for like 3 days now. What did they really they go?
Why they disturb my phone?
I get important thing to tell you.
You have an important thing to talk. You important? How? Una
See,
no rhyme
I
now.
not lie for you, eh? The thing they very important. You go need to come ask when we talk.
I know if you come PH now, Malay.
Emeka, this one an important thing.
What if that way you want talk when you fit talk for phone?
I did tell you say this one a very important thing. It go really favor you.
I beg, free me, Joe. I know if you come PH now. Talk the thing for phone. You two do rest.
Please, sir. I lost to see Chief. He's our only hope, sir. Please.
Yes, I'm
Help us.
warning you for the last time. Go home.
Please now, please. I
allow us
know
to
here
see,
is not.
please.
Just help us, please. He's our only hope. Please, I beg you.
Did you see any hope written on that gate?
I know I did not see anything written on the gate.
Leave.
Please,
sir.
I beg you,
Please,
sir.
Please. Allow to see Chief, please.
Bato.
Please take it easy on us.
Please. Hey.
What is going on there?
These are low-life beggars from the streets. They are up to no good.
Beggars? Are they still beggars in the street?
Can imagine.
How did they get into this place? Hey! Stop. Are you stupid?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now have this.
Thank you very much.
Get out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
God bless you, sir.
Get out.
Open the gate.
Thank you, sir.
Move.
It's a beautiful moment, and I'm so happy my family is intact. All is going well. And I'm so happy seeing Tobias doing well with the company.
Yes, my love. I told you you're doing the right thing by making him take over some things.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, baby. So, my love, the next thing now is to make him the CEO.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yes, no, Chief. See, Caleb is the CEO of that company. And I must say he has done his part. It is time for my son to be the next CEO.
Caleb has been with me from inception. He understands the business better than Tobias.
Sweetheart, if you do not give Tobias a chance, how can he step up?
Easy. Lala. Easy.
My love, it's time to let him go.
Not so fast. I will announce my successor soon.
Announcement? Sweetheart, we all know who the successor is. All you need to do is put a call.
Lala.
Yes, my love.
Relax. Relax.
How much? How much?
200.
200.
Yeah.
You dey pay tax?
Okay.
You know they pay tax. Now they say this thing for yeah. Feel like say you're mad. I don't go pay.
Yeah.
You try me, I go convert your teeth. What be here?
What have you seen in life? You've seen nothing.
Dad, whatever it is, I will try my best.
Do you know how far this body has been gone through?
Dad, I can try my best.
Come on, stop it.
Some wine for refreshments?
Well, are you carrying this yourself? Where's Stella?
I sent on errands.
Ah, okay.
I can do it myself.
So, as I was saying,
Yes.
Tobias has worked hard, but he needs to work harder.
Of course.
Dad, I'm working hard.
Yes. Mato, what is it?
Someone is at the gate requesting to see you.
And who is that?
He said his name is Lekat.
Anata. Let him in.
All right.
Chest.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Who do you say you are?
Now well done. Namibia Emeka, the only son of Rosaline from Achi.
Rosalind?
She?
Rosalind, how?
Is everything all right?
Now my mama give me this address where she is sick. She said make I come here, say na you be my papa.
Excuse me? Excuse you?
Make I dey go.
What is he saying? What are you saying?
Feel like say you don't hear wetin I talk. I say my mama give me this address. Say make I come here. Say chief be my papa.
That is not possible.
Now why not?
Dad.
Are you sure you're Rosalind's son?
I go lie for you. You know, she say we resemble.
Chief? Chief!
Emeka.
Na me.
How?
I resemble who go enter here dey talk rubbish. They say na you born me. If na test you want me to do, we will go do am.
How?
I do not understand this. What are you talking about?
Lord. Relax. Relax.
Do not tell me to relax. How can I relax? A stranger is under my roof, claiming to be your son. How is that supposed to make me feel?
We don't know that for sure.
It didn't seem like that to you. Chief Okafor. Who is Rosalind? Emeka Okafor. Who the hell is Rosalind?
You will not address me by my name.
You were first my husband before you became the chief.
Amaka.
I will not sit down here and watch another man's son come take over my son's place. It will never happen over my dead body. Emeka. She even named him after you. Ridiculous.
Mom, what is going on? Huh?
I don't understand what game your father is playing. But I want you to know that this is under control.
Mom, is there any possibility that that boy could be his son?
I don't know.
You don't know? How?
What is how? How am I supposed to know? Ha!
He mentioned his mother's name, and that triggered Chief. You saw that, right?
I saw it.
So, Dad may have had an affair.
Stop it. Tobias, stop it.
Mom, listen. If he didn't have an affair, then that young man could actually be older than I am. Yes.
Never. That's not possible.
Mom, think about this. If he's older than I am, that makes him the first son. And I can no longer be the CEO.
Tobias, stop it. Do you think your father is that stupid to just let go of his empire to somebody he barely met?
You think so? That's what you think. You don't know all this.
Never. I, your mother, will not be alive and watch your inheritance stripped away from you. It's over my dead body. Do you understand? It's gonna happen.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Tobias, you are a man. Don't be scared.
Let me get this room. Sharp. Oh. So my mama carried me the sofa based on say she don't want wahala. Meanwhile, my popsy gauge. Hey, this woman they fuck up. See inheritance. Now I did the sofa since. Thank God, Sha. I don't show, I don't show. No leave, no transfer. Who be that?
It's me.
Ah. My letters, Papa.
This is a lot. I had no idea Rosalind was still alive.
Alive, ke? My mama don't die, you. She died 3 months ago.
What?
Ha! She tell me say she go tell me who my papa be, make I dey go. That's the last thing where she go talk before she die.
Rosalind is dead?
Which one be Rosalind is dead? Why are you pretending as if you care? You been care?
Look, young man, you will not speak to me disrespectfully.
I know they disrespect you. I just declare you. You abandoned my mama. Why they pretend as if you love her before?
Of course, I care about her.
You care?
Look, my relationship with Rosalind was just for a short while.
Okay, let me ask you this question. You don't know say she carry belle?
Well, she said she was going to take it out, and that's what she said.
I resemble who they fit take out. She drink medicine, that's why I hold am. 9 months I appear. I know if you take me out, what happen, now you be my God.
All right, first thing tomorrow morning, you get ready. We'll go to the hospital to conduct a DNA test.
Baba, if na DNA test you want, if na DSS test, if na APC test, I dey. Clear conscience fears nothing.
Stay well.
Catch you for. Have you get water? Who they bring water for the house?
It will be sent to you.
Thank you, sir. Hi. My new papa.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, son.
Hello.
Okay.
Well, good morning, Chief. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Where this girl? Bring wash and water.
Excuse you?
Make I dey go.
Lola, calm down.
What are you doing on my table?
I won't fight.
Sit.
What other people they do for this table?
Will you just answer the question? You're just...
Enough. Now listen. You must compose yourselves. We are here at the breakfast table to eat. And that we must do. Lolo, sit down.
I won't.
I said sit down.
I won't. I won't be on the same table with this swat. That's a huge insult.
Well done, man. Anything wait, I mean, I'm sorry, the pa. You not go follow your mama go. Follow your mama go now.
Mind your mouth.
Enough. Tobias, sit down. I said sit down.
He dey beg am to sit down, daddy. Because he dey here, chef dey cook. You don't know say food hard. Enter street now, make you know say food no easy. Let's sit down.
This is your food.
Well.
This cannot happen on my watch.
What was that stunt you pulled down there? Amaka.
So you call me now by my maiden name?
This is no time for this.
What is it? Huh? You allow a stranger to come stay over the night with us in the same house, and now he's joining us for breakfast. How even sure that bastard is your son?
Hey, stop it. Stop it.
You so much trust that Rosalind woman, don't you? How come I didn't hear about her?
I will have a DNA test done to confirm paternity.
From what I see, I do not think you want to do that, right? Because as it seems, you're already treating that boy as a son.
He is not my son until confirmed.
Chief Emeka Okafor. Pray. Pray harder that all those things are not the way it seems. I, Amaka, will not take this from you. You know me.
Amaka.
You son of a prostitute. How convenient of you to think you can walk into my home claiming to be my husband's son.
You dey take risk. Oh. Why you go enter here and no knock?
You mean my house?
Even at that, courtesy demands you should knock. I'm a full-grown man and I'm inside this room. See, I know one wahala, but if wahala come, no wahala. They say make we wait, make they run DNA test. If they confirm say true, I be my papa pikin. Everywhere I go still. I don't know why they bite yourself.
Listen to me.
Okay, ma.
I know you have your plans, but I'm here to let you know that your plans do not scare me.
I lie. If my plan not to scare you, why they run around? Now you run enter here, say my plan not to scare you. What did they do here? If my plan not to scare you, what happen? Wait, what if you want to do? You want to slap me? No try, no. I dey package you. If I show you the other side of me, you no go like, you go leave this your house. No provoke me. So if I leave you go slap me. You dey take risk, oh. No try next time because I go give you auto. No try, I beg. They go now. We dey beat Lolo. They go. The lock say your hand not touch you. Nah, Male, you go cast this job or you go cast everything. No, they call too much now.
I be don't they call you since now?
I tell you, say I will call you back.
Okay, bring down your temper, me no vex. Shoo? I dey be.
Everywhere good. Oh. Wait, you sure say that this man born me?
Emeka Okafor na him born you.
Because they say they go do test, oh, DNA test.
Any test we won't do, make you do am. You dey hear me?
So you sure say no my papa be this?
I go dey lie for you.
But I wanna everywhere good. Now say I go there. Yeah. Any test where they want run, where they run.
Make you try not forget say we get better plan. Not forget the plan.
I dey with you now. Male, see this job. Now the best job where you don't give me since you born me. I go run and well, no worry, I go deliver.
Now so my son.
But no they call me, I'm gonna call you, might update you.
The test has been conducted. Here is the result. Emeka here is...
What? He is your son?
Yes. Emeka here is my son.
Sharp. To God be the glory. Abatagum.
No. No way. Never. That cannot be possible.
Lolo, calm down.
Calm down. Calm down? You sit there and ask me to calm down. You are telling me right now that you have a son who is even older than my Tobias.
I had no idea myself.
Rubbish! Nonsense! Bullcrap! Bullshit! Rubbish! You idiot! You think you can walk into my home to ruin it? Where were you all these years? Huh? Why now? I ask you, why now? Listen to me very carefully. Go in there and pick your filthy things and leave my house this minute.
They do mistake. Before you shout on people, they ask us. Not be everybody that they shout for. If you like boss, I don't know if you move. How they go anywhere? Your shout, know if it move me. You understand? The DNA said that my papa be this. So I don't show beside I don't show. No leave, no transfer. No they shout for my ear. You no green, no green. Rewind them now. Now you bomb me. See my papa what is about the shout for. Now me create myself.
Such audacity. Did you hear him speak? Did you hear him speak? You're quiet. You're quiet.
All the money there, you know, you hear it everything only. What do you happen? I need papa body.
Welcome.
Sharp. Aha. DNA test don't prove say I be Chief Okafor pikin. That one na one. That means say I don't arrive. No leave, no transfer. Make una jejely begin show me how I go begin operate. I won't begin operate as next of kin. You know the meaning of first born. I not be only pikin, I be first son. That means that me be the original next of kin. So I want take over. I want as my papa they proceed at the full up. My mama suffer. Hey, I don't even know the gist. My mama suffer well. I don't even know say my papa get money. Hey, was laying. That one day.
I cannot believe that this illiterate wants to take chances with my son.
No. I'm not an illiterate, man. Yes. I went to school, University of Nigeria. I studied business admin. Forget how they speak pidgin. Now based on saying on street, we grow. We love pidgin. We love street life. But normally I go school. Do you understand? So clock it.
What? I see. No matter what you think you are, you can never be heir to this empire. Read my lips.
I don't read your lips. My lipstick, I see.
Twat.
Dad?
You are not saying anything.
This is a lot on me, son.
A lot?
Alpha, bro.
I am not your brother. If you know what is good for you, adhere to whatever my mother has said. Pack your things and leave.
Where are you? You know, calm down. We dey beat children. We dey beat children normally. Who dey open eye for? So if you thank God say you don't get another brother will be original next of kin. You the para. If it inherit everything, only you. Come on for here. Come out now. Who be this one? Greedy son. This one a small battle. They don't know who come. Now small battle with this. I go run am. Nobody daddy.
Lola. Biko.
What are you pleading for?
I want us to handle this with maturity and wisdom. Biko.
Wisdom. Did you just say wisdom? You have a son outside our marriage, and I'm supposed to open my arms and accept him just like that.
I don't intentionally want to hurt you. You know that. I would not. This is hard. I can understand, but please.
You do not understand anything. You don't understand what it feels like to feel threatened in your home. Oh, you don't.
Rosalind is dead.
And our son is right here under my roof.
Amaka. Rosalind was a mistake. It was just a fling I had during my youth service days in Port Harcourt. Nothing more.
I do not care. I do not care when all of this happened. What I want is for that bastard to leave my house this minute.
He's my son, Amaka.
Wow.
Now listen. I'm a titled chief in Igbo land. My bloodline cannot be outside. That is impossible. And you know that.
I see. Get your hands off me.
What's all this? What's all this?
Come in. Chief, good morning, sir.
Good morning, son.
That one sharp. He called me son today. Maybe it's everywhere, don't good.
All right. Come sit. There's been so much drama in this house since you arrived.
I'm on level now, it's expected.
I understand. Well, I had no idea Rosalind gave birth to you. She didn't tell me. Anyway, I'm sorry for all you went through without me. But I have something for you.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 5 million naira. For what?
You are an Okafor, and you have to look the part. This should be enough for you to clean up.
5 million naira to clean up. That's all they do for you. Now, man, sorry, it's not to accept it. Now, man, you be, this one sharp now, this one sharp.
It's okay.
5 meter.
Yeah.
Make I use clean up.
Mato will take you anytime you're ready. No problem. When you come back, let's talk.
Thank you very much. This one sharp. I be Okafor. True, I be Okafor. Now we be Okafor like this, and then Grace Okafor. Hey, I be Okafor. True. I make Okafor. Son, where they bring money.
Son, calm down.
There is no way that can happen, Mom. You needed to see the way he walked in with those bags. I am very sure Chief must have given him so much money.
Tobias, no matter how much money your father spends on him, he can never be you.
That's hard to believe, Mom. I mean, he's older than me. That makes him the first son, the heir.
Over my dead body. I will not be alive and watch another man come here to take your place. It's not possible, Mama. Did you hear me?
I don't feel good about this. I don't.
Son, listen to me. I am your mother. And I'm saying to you, put your faith in me. I have everything under control. Okay?
You do?
100%. It's okay. It's all right.
Male. Hey. See, you try. Don't be mugu you born for. Everywhere good. You see what I send for you, Abi?
It go where?
This man get money. Oh. Give me 5 million naira. Say make I use clean up. Hey, I never hear of my life. I've all forgotten.
Emeka get money, oh.
5 million make I use clean up. Hi. No, the man too much already. Waiting they pay me now be say we don't go lie, say you don't die. If no be say we lie, yeah? I for one like make you come here and show this your wife small grace. Then she know say her own grace the land.
No, try worry yourself at all. Just stick to the plan. You dey hear?
No, well, I will stick to the plan. But you try, you shoot your shot well. I thank God you no be poor man you born for. No, say na one case with the set.
That's so.
Bye-bye.
Listen, both of you are my sons. And I want us to work together as peacefully as possible.
He knows nothing about the business.
Who talk that one?
How about you start speaking good English? This is a professional setting.
This mumu they make noise on top borrowed language. Who English here?
Oh, come on.
Oh, enough, both of you. We cannot work like this when we are not in agreement with each other. This cannot work. Come on. I own this company, and I decide what to do with it. Both of you must learn to cohabit so that the company can be yours. Now, this is Mr. Caleb. He has been with me from inception. He understands the business in and out. So he's going to guide both of you in everything you would want to know.
You're both welcome. Thank you, sir.
Lola, you're not eating. Lola. Tobias, come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Maka.
Emeka.
I don't want to continue this fight with you. It's killing me.
I don't want to fight with you either.
You are well aware you are my peace. Ever since this brouhaha started, my heart has been heavy. I miss your smile. Now these days you get angry. No, I apologize again.
My love, I want you to get this burden off your shoulders. I want us to clear this one together, as we normally do.
What can I do without you?
My love, you will announce Tobias as your successor tomorrow.
Oh no.
Yes, my love. Tobias is your only legitimate son and the rightful heir to Okafor's empire. Sweetheart, good night. I love you so much.
Boss.
Guy, get what I want to ask you.
Boss, you're free to ask me anything.
And tell me the truth, no go whine yourself.
Sure, boss.
This thing where Lolo, they harass Chief anyhow. Where her body, they pepper her. And so she they behave on a normal day. I been since where I entered the picture, she begin to misbehave like this.
Boss, sincerely, it has not always been like this. I guess all this is happening because of the current situation.
Man, you chop knock.
Thank you, boss.
Let's go.
I think...
You can't tell me what to do, Amaka. I am your husband.
You will do as I say. That is the right thing to do.
Even Tobias is not experienced enough to become the CEO of the company. This is beyond you. You don't understand anything about this. You don't.
Listen to me. You will make my son, our son Tobias, the CEO of that company. And you must do it now.
No, not yet, no.
Why? Huh? Why? Because you want to give it to that leech that calls himself your first son.
Oh, stop it. Stop it.
Don't dare me.
Lola. What is all this disrespect all about?
You want to know? Try me. Emeka, don't dare me, Emeka.
What is this disrespect all about?
You want to know? Try me. Try me and see if the world would not know who the real Emeka Okafor is.
Is this blackmail?
You want to beat this drum? Are you sure you are ready to dance to this sound?
Lolo.
I'm not asking for too much. I want to make sure my son Tobias has his place in his family. Since you have become so lily-livered. Chief Emeka Okafor, think deeply about this and make your decisions as soon as possible.
I talk something the fish, something fish is going on. Why Lolo go to talk to Chief like that? E get wetin she know when make her dey talk like that. I must get to the bottom of this. I must know wetin's up. This thing don't dey get kele go. This man a good man now. How I want to do am this kind thing? He don't ever accept me as him pikin. If I hear say na RIP, I want RIP. No, you go vex so. This thing no be better thing.
Boss, is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just there. Come, where are you? Give your name. Tell her I don't know what. Come. Brandy, know the naked. Come. Go arrange fruits for me. Put watermelon. Put cucumber. Put pineapple. Then add little carrot.
Okay.
Bring them for me now.
Okay, sir.
Stella,
Sir,
go to my room and get me my earpod.
But I want to go get...
Stella, I said go to my room and get me my earpod.
okay, sir.
Stella, if you move an inch, you are dead. So choose one between being fired or being killed.
Let me go and get you.
Bring what I tell you. Commander in chief. Not if you're up with the come. Which time you say go get? I sent her before you came.
Are you stupid?
Are you out of your sense?
Now you no get sense. I send person message, you come back, you won't change them. Commander in chief. What's your problem?
God, are you okay? Are you out of your senses? Don't you have manners? Huh?
I send person message, you come back here. They want to revise her. They don't say you know.
And who gave you that order? No, I want to understand it. You think you can just come from nowhere and claim trophy son?
I know why your body they pepper you. Since I enter this family, they do DNA test, confirm say I be Chief Okafor Pikin. Your body they pepper you. You want to inherit everything, only you. So if you don't go say you don't get brother, they do what you they crazy. So.
You dey craze. As a matter of fact, you're a thief. A thief from a shameless woman.
Hey! What? What is going on?
Daddy.
Yeah, come here!
Daddy.
Come here!
Daddy.
Stop! To this shop!
Daddy.
Stop!
See.
Both of you! What is all this? Come over here! What is this? Who will you get out of there? Emeka!
Then you should shut him up.
What do you people take me for? Emeka! No, not wait.
You find office.
Not one word, not one word. You talk rubbish now.
Your matter they free.
I said, shut up.
See, Daddy. I go look.
No, son.
I go load it.
That is not how I trained you. Keep quiet when I say keep quiet. What is this nonsense? Emeka, shut him.
Okay.
Tobias, no get him down now.
Dad, you should warn him.
What who? Shut up.
You don't know that because this.
Can you just listen to this?
No, you don't know that because
I don't want that.
you fight court.
Emeka, shut up.
This is in house.
Go listen your matter.
Can you just listen to him?
Tobias, I'm saying Michelle.
I cannot believe that bastard laid his filthy hands on my son. Such audacity.
This cannot continue in this house. Not anymore.
Why are you acting like you don't know what to do? Why are you acting like you don't know what to do? Send that thing just back to where it's coming from.
He is not an idiot. He is my son. He is an Okafor.
Oh, really?
Really, yes. And now listen. Whatever problem you have with that young man, fix it. I'm tired of you telling me what to do. Onyebunage, who is your father?
Did he just walk out on me? No, Emeka, you don't want to dare me now. You don't want to dare me. Come on.
Barrister, I want to make an adjustment to my will.
Okay, sir. Oh, may I know why?
I have just discovered I have another son.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. In that case, we'll do it as soon as possible.
Yes, as soon as possible. I will be providing what needs to be adjusted.
No problem. I may call away, sir.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I'll take my leave now, sir.
Okay.
I have some matters to attend to.
That's good.
Have a nice day.
Oh, you too.
Yes, come in. Lolo. You're here. What's the surprise?
Of course. Mr. Caleb, greetings to you.
Greetings. What brings you here?
I'm here for something very important. You have been working with my husband for so many years now, and you know so much. This is not a warning. It's a statement of fact and should take immediate effect. Chief Emeka Okafor has just one legitimate son, Tobias, and he must be considered the next CEO of this company.
Lolo. But Emeka...
There is no such thing as that. Caleb, listen to me. I am here for us to be in alignment. Anything and everything that will make my son the CEO of this empire should be your paramount concern.
Lolo. $20 million. That's quite a lot of money.
Caleb,
I am not the owner of this company. When the time is right, Chief Emeka Okafor will announce his successor. That is not in my place to do.
I see.
Just to help you save yourself from the mistake you're about to make.
Caleb, take this as a promise. You will regret this.
Rubbish.
Mato,
Yes, sir.
give us a minute.
All right, sir.
How are you, Chief?
My brother, I don't know. All this is just a lot on me.
I understand.
You said it was important to see me.
Yes, Chief. I know that everything happening in your home right now is taking a toll on you. Chief, but I want you to do something real quick.
What is it?
You have confirmed that Emeka is your son, right?
Caleb. We had that test done 3 times, just to be sure.
Exactly. However, have you had a test done on Tobias?
Come on, Caleb. What are you saying? Amaka and I had Tobias together.
Chief,
Are you suggesting that...
Not in a way to disrespect you, Chief, but I just have felt this nudge, and if you think about it, it will not be a bad idea.
What?
Just to confirm, okay? Just want you to get your steps right. Yes.
Hello, Male. How far now?
Wetin dey really dey happen? Hope no gbege.
Nah, Male, I don't know what in the sup. My papa just stand outside since they think. The man just they think. I don't know what in the happen.
Shu? Thinking. Wetin dey think?
They thinking loud though. For over 2 hours now, that man just stand there, they think.
Maybe they think about all the whole situation now. You not reach to think.
I doubt. Be like say water don't pass Gary. Male, I just suggest me we gather with you if you gather move now. Move, pick 1 or 2 there.
You go calm down, oh. Your liver dey fail you.
It's not like I'm afraid, but okay, what if in get plan now?
Keep quiet.
You might be like nice man. No?
You sure say na me born you like this? Emeka, you go relax. Make your body no make let you calm down. Press chill. Try make you dey find out other things for the ass where they happen first. They run gree. I say make you relax. Stick to the plan.
Okay, no wahala. I will stick to the plan.
Stick to the plan. Sure.
Good afternoon, madam.
How did he go?
Chief hasn't made his decisions yet.
Why?
He asked me to wait for a while.
Oh, no! What are his reasons? Why?
Listen, Law. You have to be patient with him. There's a lot on him already.
Really? What about me? I'm going through a lot already. Can't you see it? Can't you? Listen, Barrister. You have to do everything within your powers to make sure he changes that will. Do you understand? Do that as soon as possible, please.
We do not coerce our client into making such decisions in a hurry.
Do not give me excuses, Barrister.
These are not excuses. They are protocols.
I see.
Please, a little while.
Get out.
Lola.
Yes, come in. Good afternoon, Judge. Hey, Tobias. How are you?
To be honest, I'm not okay. I've not been for a while.
Tobias. You're my son. I hope you know nothing changes that.
Really? Does nothing?
What do you mean?
Dad, ever since Emeka came into this house, our peaceful home turned to chaos.
Emeka is not the problem.
Then what is it?
The problem is lack of acceptance. Tobias, that young man is my son, your brother.
Dad?
Yes. When a man makes a mistake, he learns from it. That is the essence. I made a mistake, abandoning that young boy and his mother for a very long time. And now that I've realized it, I have to right my wrongs. And that's what it is. I will never take it for granted.
Really?
Tobias, I understand how you feel, but don't ever feel threatened. This is not war. We are a family, right?
Yeah. Family.
That's my son. I was trying to go through what...
Dad, I need to get to my room.
Okay. Yeah. All right. They're good. Mato, you said what?
Yes, sir.
they attacked us. Seemed they were aiming for Emeka.
No, this is not acceptable. This is not. I will get to the bottom of this. No.
The person that did this should plan for work. The person that did this should get ready for war. Mandinka. An attempt on my life, like you said, it is highly unacceptable.
Very unacceptable. No. No.
No. Let me come and let it down.
Come on. No. That wasn't the assignment. Shut up. That's what I say.
Continue. I knew you were the one behind that attack. You wanted to kill me, right?
A simple task you could not carry. Huh? What rubbish is this? Is he an immortal that you cannot take care of him? Huh? What do you mean he escaped? Huh? Gosh. What incompetence. These guys keep frustrating me. That idiot is still alive. No way. No way. Never. No way. Onyinye Okafor. You must go down. Nah, you will go down. If it's the last thing I do with the last drop of blood in me.
Male, you done the red though. You done the red though.
Sure?
They nearly killed me today.
Eh? Try to kill you, K. You be cripple?
I go lie for you. Everywhere don't they change you. It be like I will come back Port Harcourt, come they live my life jejely before they will kill me here for nothing.
Sure? Not be you again. Person go just sit down like this, spread itself, say they want buy you like that.
If not based on who I be, what for don't pass Gary oh.
It's not that possible. You be breeze. Nobody fit trap you. You dey hear me?
Okay, bye. I don't hear you. Everywhere good.
Relax.
They don't me. They don't me. It's dirty. be this? Ah! Who be this? Who be this? Now me want try. I go off you today. I go off you. I go off you.
Wait. Tobias. What came over you? What were you trying to do? Trying to strangle your own brother?
I'm sorry, Dad. He kept getting me angry.
Angry? Are you aware anger is one letter away from danger? Let this not repeat itself. This is not who I raised in you. By this display, you are not fit or competent to handle Emeka Okafor empire.
Dad, I'm sorry. It hasn't gotten to that. I can handle the affairs of the company. Please, Dad. I'm sorry. Please. Please, Dad.
What was that stupid stunt you pulled out there? Eh?
I'm sorry, Mom. I let that get into my head.
What is wrong with you? I told you I had it taken care of, didn't I?
I'm sorry. I couldn't bear it.
How do you think your father will look at you right now? Eh? What were you thinking? What is this nonsense now? What? I'm here fighting for you. And you came up with this stupid death stunt. What is wrong with you?
Mom, I just wanted to get back at him.
That's a stupid way of getting back. It's a very stupid way. What do you think this is? A nursery school game? Huh.
Mom.
Tobias, it's enough. It's enough! Stay there and act like you're sick. At least you can get that one right. Right? Rubbish.
This guy is mean. He just wanted to kill me. What would I do? What am I going to do now?
Wow. Just wow. Lolo, what do you have to say about your son becoming a murderer?
My son is not a murderer.
Does this console you? Tobias was going to take another man's life under my roof?
Oh, please.
Oh, please. Now tell me, what do you and Tobias have to do with the alleged assassination attempt earlier?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Lolo.
Well, you caused it. Yes. If you had stood your ground as a man and made your decisions, all these things would not have happened.
Oh. So I am now to be blamed?
Yes! It's your fault. It has always been your fault. Don't act like a saint. You are as much a criminal as you want to label him.
Do you think supporting this evil act of Tobias makes it a right thing?
His father has done worse.
Oh, stop it. This is not the same.
So what's the difference? You killed a man and had another man serve your jail terms for you, so you could take over his company and build his business to what it is today.
The wars have ears.
What are you afraid of? Answer me.
Amaka.
Like father, like son.
Amaka.
You can call my name as many times as you want. But what I will not have you do is stand here and act like a saint when we all know how much of a criminal you are.
No.
Just before you think you can stand here and preach sermon to me, think about that innocent man you kept in prison for the past 20 years. Rubbish.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. What did I just hear like this? Things they sup for this house, so
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, where are you going to?
I want to go serve Emeka this food.
Oh, okay. That's all right. And please help me check the store if we still have yam, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah, ma. Ma, there's no yam again. That's finished.
Yes. How come you didn't know about this? Okay, fine. Tomorrow. Make sure you let me know so we can get more yams, okay?
Okay, ma.
All right.
Okay, ma.
Go serve him.
come in.
Sir, food is ready.
Keep on there.
Anything else, sir?
Nothing else. You dey try, eh? No worry, I'm doing about.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Ah. You forget something. Come in. Ah. Chief.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I know this house has been very, very hot lately, and I apologize.
Your son nearly killed me.
Yes, very unfortunate.
Come in. Come in.
Chief, Mato is downstairs. He asked me to call you.
Son, I'll be right back.
Oh.
Sir.
What? What?
What's going on here?
What is this?
What is what? What is this? Where did you get this from?
Lolo. Who is...
Tobias!
Mom?
Mato, please can you just excuse us? I need to bring my husband alone.
No. They stay right here. And you start talking right now.
Don't make this about me. We need to have a private talk.
No! No, not a private talk. Start talking right now. Now tell me, who is the father of Tobias?
What?
Talk!
You really want to do this?
What kind of woman are you?
Mom, what is Dad saying?
Well, yes. Tobias is not your son. So, I had him for my ex. Since you want to bring shame to me, I will take nothing to return this favor right now.
What the hell is going on?
How about you tell them how you got this wealthy? Emeka, you are supposed to be in prison, but you got an innocent man to pay for your crimes. Guess what? By the time he gets to hear of this, you'll be haunted. You bring me down, you go down with me.
Papa. Papa. This one where you don't know say Tobias will be your son. That one na 1-0. But I don't know how you want to take this one, why I won't tell you now. My mama still there alive.
You say?
Rosalind is alive.
What do you mean, Rosalind is alive?
She will tell me, say, make I come here, ginger you, collect anything where I fit lay my hands on, and leave. That was the initial plan. She told me everything. How you take come with service for Port Harcourt Dairy before you and Akonja run package. Later, when she come carry belle, she update you according to nothing she tell me. She say you pay her off. Say no, she dey go. Say you don't need her. But she drink medicine, try make she come out the belle. She talk say I go gree come out. Say the thing don't work. Later, she born me. She got the hair saying you don't turn big man. So the initial plan was to come here and reach you.
Emeka, you and your mother plan to rake me off?
But as I come, you're nice to you now. You're a good man. So I changed my mind. It's not a true confession, out of your work. No reason now.
Ha! Chineke, man. I mean, ow!
What's up?
Ow!
Ow! Papa? Mato? Hey! Mato? Mato, come on.
What happened?
Papa, calm down. Hey, that's what this guy did. Papa, hey! Papa. Huh? Papa? Bring water first. Have you watched? Papa, hey! Papa!
Can you explain to me what this is all about?
Tobias, go and pack your things. We are leaving here now.
Where are we going to?
Stop asking me stupid questions. You are not dumb. Do you hear me?
Mom, I'm asking you to explain to me and you're telling me to pack my things and leave to where?
I will explain to you later. But for now, go pack your things. I don't have time.
Who the hell is my father?
Tobias, do you know what you have done? Do you know?
Mom, I'm asking you. Who is my father?
I will explain to you later. For now, leave in here.
I need to know. Right now. Mom, move! Explain to me what is going on. Can you just explain to me?
Can you move?
Move!
We're leaving.
Mom! Mom, listen.
Move!
Can you just tell me where we're going to?
Tobias.
What is happening?
Move!
Can you just explain to me what is going on?
Tobias,
Mom.
move from here! Somebody tell me.
Mom, you're keeping me in the dark. Can you just explain to me what is going on? Mom, listen. Mom, I don't like this. Can you just tell me what is going on? Tell me what is happening. Where are we going to for business?
I will slap you! I will slap you!
Mom, you're just keeping me in the dark. And you're telling me we should leave this place. Why? Mom, listen. This is not right. Mom, explain to me what is it.
Rally there!
Move him down here. Hands up and move. Move!
Mrs. Lola Okafor and Mr. Tobias Okafor, you both are under arrest for attempted murder on one Mr. Emeka Okafor. For your own good, I would advise you both remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move them. if I hear ping. I said move! Move!
Move!
Shut up!
Move!
I said move!
Move!
Move! Move!
Enter this vehicle! I'll push you, sir.
Officer, what happened?
Good day, sir. We are aware you are currently receiving treatment in this facility. And we are also warned not to disturb your medical care until you fully recover. However, I need to inform you that you are under arrest for malicious prosecution that happened 20 years ago. Well, our men will be stationed here until you are fully recovered. Thank you, sir. Officer, man guard.
Emeka, my son, my time is up. You'll go to the house. When you get there, I will instruct Mato to give you the key to the vault. Take anything you can lay your hands on. You have cash, you have gold, ornaments, share certificates, everything. Take and go to a far city and start a new life.
Dad, without you.
Michael. You don't need me. I want a good life for you. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Hello?
Mato, how far? I don't they call you since now. I dey be.
Guy, I don't move.
You don't move as how now?
Omo, thank your papa for me. Thank your papa for me. He's my savior. And don't try to find me. I don't base.
Mato.
Yes! 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 I am rich. I am rich. I am freaking rich.